In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your LG Smart TV is turning on by itself. So it's turned off and without you having to touch anything, it just turns on, and this is very annoying because you have to turn it off every time. So there's multiple things we can try to fix this issue. So let's start with the easiest one. Unplug your LG TV from the wall socket or from the power strip. Even if it's turned on, this does not matter. Simply pull the plug. Now you can set this aside, and we need to find the power button that is located under your LG TV. Sometimes it's right under the LG logo, but other times it's on the right side or the left side. Let me show you. If I flip the TV, you're gonna notice over here there's a button. You need to keep press this power button during 30 seconds. So keep it pressed. Even if the TV is turned off, this will simply drain the remaining energy that was still stuck in the TV. After 30 seconds, you can release this button. Now, before plugging the TV back, you need to wait at least 10 minutes. So be patient, put this down, and come back after 10 minutes. When it's time to reconnect your LG TV, I suggest you do not use any power strip. Sometimes these are causing the problems. They are not able to distribute enough power to your TV, and this is why you may have issues. So this is why I recommend you plug your TV directly into the wall socket. Sometimes these can get defective as well, so if you're still having an issue, try plugging it in another one. Okay, if this didn't work, what you can do now is to redo the same thing, but one thing different. This time, once you have unplugged the TV, you're gonna take your remote control, because sometimes this is the issue. You're gonna remove the batteries that are inside. And now you're gonna take the remote control without batteries, and the TV should be turned off because you have unplugged it. And you're gonna press this power button during a minute. Keep it pressed, even without batteries. And this should eliminate any kind of energy from the remote control. It will drag down, it will completely drain the remote control. After a minute of keeping it pressed, you can also press it a few times very hard. Sometimes there's debris under the power button causing this issue. So press it at least 20 times very hard, this power button, and then you can put back the batteries inside. After putting the batteries back, plug back your TV into the wall socket and turn the TV on using the button on the TV itself, okay? And then check if this solved your issue. So turn it off and check if it turned back on by itself randomly. If none of these solved your issue, there's maybe a setting in the menu that is causing this issue. So you're gonna take your remote control and open settings. My settings button is here, is this cogwheel. Maybe yours on this remote, it's located here. You need to press on that button until you have this menu appearing on the left side or right side. We need to go down and select all settings, press OK. Then over here, you're gonna go and select General. From here, you're gonna select Energy Saving. Make sure Energy Saving step here is turned off completely, like that. Exit this menu by going back once. Go into System this time. Go into Time and Timer. Go down, select Timers. And here you see Power On Timer. Make sure that this is turned off, because if this is turned on, it will simply turn the TV by itself. So once this is turned off, you can exit this menu, pressing the back button a few times. Turn off your TV, and hopefully this time it will not turn on by itself. If none of these worked, another thing I can suggest is to unplug every HDMI cable from the TV. So every HDMI devices that are connected to your LG TV, unplug them. Maybe one of these is activating your TV and turning it back on. Usually it's a home theater that may be doing this kind of issue. So if you have other tricks that may solve this problem, please let me know. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.